Hello everyone, Amanda here, coming to share another crafty swap that I've done with my friend Kay. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box below. She makes loads of really inspirational things for crafters, and whatever she sends me always inspires me. I always have a go at them and try and recreate them. So she sent me this lovely paper. I don't know if she's made these bags herself, but I'll be scavenging this and reusing it somewhere. Be rude not to. So in this one we've got some, any money in there, Kay? Any money? Any chocolate? No puppies? No, rubbish. Oh, this is lovely. Ooh, that flower, is that flower loose? I might just tack that down with a bit of extra glue. That feels a bit loose. Look at that. How beautiful. What a lovely, lovely embellishment with that little dangle there. And I do use them. You'll see me frequently. You know, if I send people crafty things or cards or make journals, I will use what Kay sends because that's the idea. You know, there's no point in them all sat in a drawer not getting used. Do use them. That is lovely. That is really lovely. I really like that idea. So she's made a little, like, bunch of flowers. Looks like she's just rolled up some kind of book page there and layered it on some die cut hearts. And then there she's added a lovely dangle. She's really good at making these because she's a jewellery maker. Look at that lovely neat loop there. When I make them, it looks like dog's done it with its feet. I can't do them, I'm rubbish. And I've watched videos and tutorials and I still can't do that wire wrapping thing. I'm rubbish at it. Oh, it's got a paper clip on the back there as well, look. So a hidden paper clip. She's done that very neat and tidy so you can slide it on a page. That's lovely, that, Kay. And it looks like we've got a smaller version there, look. Lovely. Thank you. So I have a little drawer in my craft office. I've got a little drawer of Kay stuff, and every time I need something I do go in that drawer. It's like my little secret hoard vault, and I'll go in the drawer and I do use them. And here we've got some lovely, has she done it with the bag at the bottom? Have you done it with the bag at the bottom? Yes, she has, good lad. If you put the bag at the bottom then you don't ruin your topper, because I think that's one of Andrea's papers. It's one of Andrea's papers, this. I shall use these, and I could use these as little note cards, which is their intention. She's even lined them. She always lines her cards with little paper, writing paper. That's very old school. It's the proper way of doing it. I never do, I'm a bit lazy, but that's lovely. They're always finished so perfectly. This is one of the free digitals in Andrea's Facebook page, and it's beautiful. It's one of my favourites. So I've got a set of little note cards there, which come in handy for thank yous when I'm, if anybody buys from my Etsy shop. Not that there's much to buy there at the moment, but too busy working all the time to make anything. It drives me batty. Oh dear. And then what we got here. So I've got plenty of this now, haven't I? I shall be saving this. Feels like there's something else in there. Oh, look at those. Those are pretty. Some little heart embellishments. Oh, those are nice. I like that, especially like that gold one. That's lovely. So she's laid up some lovely die cuts there. That's beautiful. She uses this one. I like this little flower and I love it. Last time I went to a house, which feels like centuries ago now, she gave me some and I used them all. But she's even put the eyelets in, look. She's not skimped on anything. That's the bow builder. Looks like one of the bow builder punches. Beautiful. Always beautiful. She's very good at that. This is a little envelope. Looks like she's made this. Like oh, there's a word for these. Like, is it like a coin envelope? Yeah. And she's put a window in it. I don't know if it started life as an actual envelope and she's layered it up. It's possible. It's possible. And then she's layered it up with, I think it is. I think it's a window envelope that she's layered up with very thick digital print. Either that or she's made it. I don't know. I can't figure out if it is an actual envelope that she's layered on. I don't know. I can't figure that out. And we've got lovely spraying on the back there by the looks of it. I need to make some sprays. I was going to buy some Tim Holtz ones until I saw the price of them. I might have to save up a bit. And then she's done these little buttons, and I know she's got them out for Stuart Button Punch, so that's easy peasy for her. Lovely. I know what she's got in her stash, you see. So I've nosed through it, rifled through it all often enough. And then she's put this beautiful tag inside. And again, I think this is one of the William Morris prints. If you're lucky enough to be different, never change. That's lovely. And then she's put a little, she's punched a circle, and then she's tucked acetate around the back of there. And we've got a sun. And we've got some lovely like Chinese braid there. That's beautiful, isn't it? She's backed it on card. That's ever so lovely. Lovely card, thank you. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, she's lovely. She might end up on cover of a journal. I might snaffle that. That's lovely. I really like that. Again, she's lined it. Look, she's even punched a butterfly. Oh, bless. So she's got this beautiful digital image, and it looks like she's printed that on textured cardstock. It's like canvas print cardstock. She's fussy cut the flowers and glittered them all, backed it on gold foil. Then we've got textured card, and she's put lace there and there. That's really lovely. I can see that as on the front of a journal. Yeah, I'll leave that to one side. That's going in my journal box. And this I shall reuse as well. I really reuse it. Put that in my journal box. What we got here? Ooh, she makes loads of lovely little handmade embellishments. So I've got quite a lot of this paper, so you'll see it before long in a journal. Oh, these are nice. She likes to make these little rosettes, they're called. They're really nice. A nice pretty little embellishment. And then she's left those plain, so then I could add extra things on if I wanted to. Those are lovely, thank you, Kay. And then I think this is the main thing that we were swapping. And so we were swapping the 5-pocket tag thing that I did a video on. I said, why don't we... in fact, I saw Wendy's video first and said, why don't we swap what Wendy's done? And then when I made mine a bit different, and I did a video. So this is my Wendy's version and my version kind of both put together. It's just nice how you get inspiration off everybody. And then Kay will have put her own twist on it. So again, you know, it gets another variation, because she won't never do no same neither. We've got lovely layered up butterflies there, and some layered up, what's she put there? And she's added a back piece there and a cover over with a little pocket. So again, she's done it different. Lovely, lovely layered tag with some lace. I like that. And then look, this must be her thing this week. She's punching circles and things and putting acetate behind, which I think is really, really lovely. I might have to steal that idea, Kay. That's a good idea. I've got some book paper there, lovely, lovely tied ribbon. How pretty, how perfect is that? And then we've got the little pull out there. That's nice. I like that. There she's used. I've got loads of embossing folders, and I never remember to use them. Kay does them a lot. So that's one. So that's a nice idea with those cut out circles with the acetate. And then to use your embossing folders for things. I never think to do that. So that's encouraged me. This is beautiful. I love it. So this is this a freebie on Andrea's page as well? I think it is. So Artie Mays and Friends is the Facebook group. You should go join, because she's very, very generous. And she does do lots of free stuff. And you get loads of inspiration over there. Listen to your heart. That's nice. Where have you got that from? I like that. Where have you got that from, please? I need to know which kit that's from, because I like that and I want some. That's nice as well, isn't it? Just a little bit of music paper there. That's just like perfect for there. And then she's done a pocket and filled it up with all little bits and bobs. Lovely. I think that's fussy cut from the... I like this little tag. That's really nice. I never think to do them that size. I might I might draw around that and make a template and think on to do more smaller ones. That's a nice idea, that. See, this is why you should swap with people, because everybody has different ideas and you always get loads of good ideas. I will draw around that and nick that. What's she got there? Another one of those ladies. Yeah, where have you got her from? Right. I need to know where she's from. That I like that. And then she's put the eyelet in the top, so that's lovely. And she's used an envelope on the back of there, which is what Wendy did when she did hers. I did mine without. I did mine slightly different. So look at this one. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Oh, that's nice. Is that one of your stickers that you got from wherever you got them from? This is nice. Don't recognise that. Is that one of the William Morris ones? Don't recognise that paper. I think it might be. What we got here? Be joyful, like a little ATC. How lovely is that? And it's all textured because she's used her embossing folders that I forget to use. And she's inked, so it looks a little bit pearly. I don't know if that's the card she's used, it could be. Or whether she's used pearly stuff. Pearly. I'm dead technical, me, pearly. It says be joyful. Little tiny things like that. I get a lot of joy from seeing stuff like that. And then here we've got some little mini tags again, and she's added lace at the top, which is a nice idea. Is that a sticker? Yeah. Nice. Nice chicken and rice. I like that. That's nice. Lovely that, Kay. Really lovely what we've got here. Oh, another one like ATC. Do what you love. I love that. I think that's really pretty. Lovely. And Kay must have the strongest cardstock in the world. Everything she makes is like, I don't know, you could break windows with it. It's so solid. I don't know what she uses. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Kay. And, you know, I like to share these swaps because they give me inspiration. So I'm sharing the inspiration with you. Maybe it'll give you some ideas as well. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hop on over to Kay's channel and have a nosy about at what she makes, because she's very clever. Very clever lady. And I will be with you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.